DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? The Don is back in the lab. Yeah, man, you already know what time it is, gang. I know y'all miss me. Man. Yo, hey, I miss y'all too. Yeah, but you know, boy, I've been dealing with a few stuff, man. Just a little stuff going on, you know, a little situation. I'm gonna let y'all know at the end how everything works out, you know what I'm saying? But so we're there with the back with reactions. You see me, we're back on the grind. You see me, what I'm saying? I was in YouTube. We want to say jail for a little bit, but we're there again. We're there with another track from none other than Skippa Dan himself, Mr. Nighttime, Mr. Hellboy himself. You see me, Bob himself. You already know we're there with Skippa. The one name Moves. Check it out, see what I do. I was actually supposed to react to this the day it came out, man. But yeah, as I said, couldn't upload for a while. But we're back now. You know what I'm saying? We're back now. Yeah, man. Skippa Moves. I check it out and see what I do. Let's get it, gang. Bricks in the blood clam and clear bag. I'm here, man.
Fire, no cap. Yeah.
All like this nigga love man clear, you fuck. For real.
Exotic weed dash fall on my lap.
Skippa Moves.
Fall on my lap. Yo, merengue was no cap. And she said she want move with the cat. And she no listen to no tune in my job.
Little shot, little Philly, that's some might be shot, you know. He might be shorter than that too. I think my girl shorter than that too. Come here, look at shot, you look at Philly them, you look at shorty them. Come here now.
Okay. And she said she want move with the cat. And she no listen to no tune in my job. And she no watch money dog, just the moves on my cat. Hey, see now the office so cool in the chop. So cool in the chop.
Move with the God, I want you. She not watching money, just see moves where the G got. Come here, man.
Money, we make a lot of money, full of sassy, fat aggressive beats. Like me in a hurry, smooth with the chop, smooth that. I just some moves, I'm a cat, just some moves. Yeah, boy.
Liking this gang. By the way, gang, y'all like the new addition to the family? Y'all like the new addition to the family? That's because of y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button. You feel me? Yeah, man. Yeah, we upgrade behind the scenes, cameras and computer and shit. Now it's time to upgrade in front of the scene. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the body drops and the camera. Upgrades coming, gang. But come on, let's get it. Bumbuckly Porsche. Come in, huh?
Than far in no cap. Exotic weed dash
Porsche Panamera.
Cash in jeans, but cars are still tight. No broke feel I can.
Exotic weed all on my lap. Cash off. But then, we don't know what the plate are still tag. Wait.
Cash in jeans, but cars are still tight. No broke feel I cannot go back. But say me cannot go back because it be my fit job. I miss a pill of it pop, so me like
me know broke feel and me can't go back to that no man. Come in, no man. How you work for? Come in, no man. Talk truth, no man. Skip Dan. Talk.
My lap. Cash in jeans, but cars are still tight. No broke feel I cannot go back. But say me cannot go back because it be my fit job. I miss a pill of it pop, so me like keen with the team. Put a milk on my
clock. They be my fit job and pill of it pop. I'm the kid. I'm here. Talk to them, no Skippa. They're not here. Look at me key out and do it to blood.
A mansion and never schemes in the bigger picture. Yeah. Coulda kept on my lifestyle. Fuck up a chase, it never take me a lifetime. Bad bitch with tattoos and she give me the right one.
I know my style, dog. You see me have it. Come in and Skippa, chat to them. Come in, Bumbuckly.
The bigger picture. Yeah. Coulda kept on my lifestyle. Fuck up a chase, it never take me a lifetime. Bad bitch with tattoos and she give me the right one. Pop pill, she like booze and she prefer the nighttime. She prefer the night.
Bad bitch with tattoos, she give me the right one, brother. She pop pills, she drink booze. You see me, and she like in nighttime, on nighttime.
G. Oh my OG.
Skippa, Skippisha. A real him girl, this though, gang? Is this really him girl or just, you know, this is just for the video? Let me know.
Yeah. Life and bless me, I let them know me evil. Always cash on me. No cap. Cash on. Yeah. Hey, they go Skippa in a fast ride, that this a part-time Glock duck, all time stuck in a
Skippa in a fast ride, that. Hey, that is, yeah. The boy Skippa, me telling you, Me telling you, say Skippa they come big, I want him to know in. Yo, man, come on, me never lie, come on.
Always cash on me. No cap. Cash on. Yeah. Hey, they go Skippa in a fast ride, that this a part-time Glock duck, all time stuck in a my way, so the
And it's a part-time Glock talk all time, brother.
music a part-time, plus in the PC, everything because you can't see it. Yeah, it's a life for me choose. Now buy no few.
See everything, can't see, brother. See that?
Prefer go buy some new shoes, got a skull
Everywhere.
pan charge, #1 pan YouTube. I'ma do it from my yard with them connect like Bluetooth. Boy, no man for talk my shit more, I love.
Talk your shit, nigga. Talk your shit.
Good day, man. Crazy.
Skippa, Skippy shop. Easy now, man. One night time, man. Be yourself. One night time, man. Believe, man. Believe, kill, and believe, cure. Don't. Easy now, man. Skippa, Skippy shop on them. Yeah, man. I like the one there. You see me, Skippa always a doing thing, bro. You see me, I say. Tell you a long time to Skippa come. Body, You see me, the one that moves. And make sure you stay out there and make some move. Make sure you got some motion going. You see me? I say make sure you have something at work on gang. Make sure you stay upon the grind. You see me? And make sure you stay upon task and stay upon aim, stay upon your goal. You see me? Don't get distracted. You see me? You're gonna lose some people along the way, but that's part of life. Make sure you stay upon your mission. You see me? I say, yeah man, I'm gonna get it. Believe in yourself all the time. Believe no man. Yeah man, don't make nobody. You see me? Don't make nobody make you doubt yourself. Anything you set your mind to, you can do. You see me? It might not be easy, but it can be done. You see me? I say, yeah man. And just because nobody ever done it before doesn't mean you can do it. You might be the person just to do it. You get what I'm saying? But yeah man, gang. Yeah, man, nothing about it one day. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make sure you the dance. Send them. You already know what time it is. Drop in the comments. Drop in the requests. All that good stuff. All that good stuff. You already know what time it is. Don't know. Yeah, man. Let's chop it up, get a dialogue going. It's been a minute. I know y'all miss me, but your boy back now. You see me? Yeah, man. We're back now. We in full effect. We going hard, gang. I hope y'all like the new addition to the Dan Mafia family, It's all y'all. So big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah. Big up yourself. Clap yourself. You see me? Shout out to y'all. And make sure, if you make it this far, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know what time it is, gang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.